Hello guys, in this video we are going to study about pityriasis types. It is a topic from dermatology and we are going to diagnose some pictures and what are they, and then we are lastly going to solve a question, match the following, and mainly this particular question will be asked in your examination. You will not be asked about the photos till I am discussing about the photos, right? First of all, here we can see this photo and this photo. We can see that it is highly red and there are rough patches, right? These two photos are of pityriasis rubra pilaris. Pityriasis rubra pilaris. If you get to see these photos, then always mark, then get to know that the answer is pityriasis rubra pilaris. What does rubra means? Rubra means red. That's why these pictures are red. Hand and feet are red, and pilaris means rough patch. Also, we can understand from the picture 1 and 2 that they are rough patch. That's why pityriasis rubra pilaris. Next, coming to this particular and this particular photo. These photos are of pityriasis rosacea. Right, I have not written the spelling correctly, but these are pityriasis rosacea. Right, so this particular thing you can see over here, these are called collaret pattern or collaret scales. Collaret pattern or collaret scales. Right, and these rashes arrange in a Christmas tree pattern. Arrange in a Christmas tree pattern. Right. So these two photos are actually important. These two photos can come to you in a solitary manner also. These two photos can be given solitarily and can be asked that what is the disease. Identify from the photo. Next, again an important photo. This photo is of pityriasis, very important and very easy, versicolor. Pityriasis versicolor. Right, pityriasis versicolor is due to fungal organism called Malassezia furfur, in which you already must be knowing that we can see meatball, spaghetti and meatball appearance, right? So this particular image is important. Why it is called versicolor? Versicolor actually means versatile color. You can see various variegated colors. Here it is white, here it is black. You already know that they cause hypopigmented and hyperpigmented patch. Pityriasis versicolor, we can see hypo and hyperpigmented patch, and there is no itching in it, right? It is only and only a cosmetic problem. Next, coming to the very important photo and very easy photo, I guess. This and this particular photo is of psoriasis. Right, these two photos are of psoriasis. Very important, extremely important. You can see these particular things over here. These lesions are silvery scales. These lesions are silvery scales, right? You can also see Auspitz sign in it. Auspitz sign, you must be knowing what it is. If we scrap off the silvery scaly lesion from the forearm, extensor surface of the forearm, then bleeding points can be seen. This is called Auspitz sign. Next, coming to a tough one. This particular thing, if I don't tell you, most of you will mark as acne, but these are not acne. This is pityriasis lichenoid chronica. Right, these are not acne. This is pityriasis lichenoid chronica. So these particular images you have to know. These are a bit important, specifically the psoriasis one, pityriasis versicolor and pityriasis rosacea. These are most important. What actually is very important and will come to your exam is this: match the following. This question is asked a lot of time in INI-CET examinations. You have to just match the particular lesion pattern with the disease, right? So we already studied that silvery is of psoriasis, right? I told you that silvery means psoriasis. Then Brani belongs to pityriasis versicolor. Trust me, you won't be able to get much sense or logic in this particular match the following: why pityriasis versicolor is called Brani, and why mica like lesion is seen in pityriasis lichenoid chronica, and why collaret is seen in pityriasis rosacea. Although you know that collaret is seen in pityriasis rosacea, already told you this particular thing, but in most of them I personally don't get to understand why they are named like this. Okay? So I learned it, and I went to my examination and gave my GTs and got it right every time. Right, so you have to do the same thing. Silvery means psoriasis, Brani means pityriasis versicolor, mica means pityriasis lichenoid chronica, and collaret means pityriasis rosacea. Thank you.